The federal government is continuing to investigate whether some of the biggest names in baseball, past and present, avoided taxes on thousands of dollars made signing autographs. A billion-dollar business these days. Here's ABC's Armin Katayan.
On the heels of the indictment this week of Darryl Strawberry for tax evasion, reports are more of baseball's biggest stars may be under federal investigation for failure to report cash earned at autograph shows.
Packed again, huh? That's sold out crowd.
Federal prosecutors are reportedly probing whether Hall of Famers Reggie Jackson, Mickey Mantle, Willie Mays, and other members of baseball's 500 home run club received thousands of dollars in unreported income from card show promoters.
The proper way to handle all this is to pay the player with a check. And I've found that most players today prefer that. They insist upon it.
But not always. As part of a guilty plea to tax fraud conspiracy charges, 2 East Coast promoters told the court they paid cash to several stars who signed autographs at a major card show held at this Atlantic City hotel in 1989. While federal prosecutors will only say that their investigation is continuing, lawyers for some of the stars, including Mickey Mantle, denied any wrongdoing by the athletes.
Yeah, I thought I told you that we weren't going to do anything.
While some players weren't talking, it was business as usual today at a card show in New Jersey, part of the estimated $2 billion a year memorabilia business. Sports stars can command as much as $250,000 for a weekend show. While accepting cash from promoters of these events is legal, what the IRS wants to know is whether some of baseball's legendary heroes reported that cash and paid taxes on it. Armin Katayan, ABC News, New York.